All right, so I just really wanted to make this really quick video. I've been seeing a lot of people struggling, yes, struggling with coming up with video ideas, and I don't know. I think I resonate with them a lot because I've been through that too when I was just unable to come up with video ideas. But then, what I used was, third-party tools, trying to search the web and see what's the new hot thing. But then that doesn't really work. So what I want to talk about in this video, I'm not going to cut anything right here because I just wanted to create a completely like a fluid video with no cuts. So I'm talking to you more as a friend. So to generate ideas, you don't really need to search the web. Instead, try to find something within you that you like. So for example, the video that I made on what was it called? Let's plays versus walkthroughs, something like that. That video that came from my heart. I didn't search the web for that at all. I was like, I was confused at a time about what walkthroughs, playlists, and let's plays are. So I was like, you know what? Since I have a problem too, I'm going to tell people that I had this problem too, just so that you don't face it. I'm going to fix it for you. But that is what I call organic way of generating ideas. But if you don't want to organically find out videos, then I'd say try third-party tools. But what I think is that trying to find out videos trying to find out videos that are based on the trends really aren't going to help you in the long run. All right. So if you can, try to find out videos that try to make ideas that resonate with you, that you would search for. So if you have let's say a cooking channel, what would you, as let's say a dad, search for? Or a single mom, what would you search for? Maybe thousands of people like you are probably searching for the same thing. Make that. You don't always have to go for the trendy thing always, because the trendy stuff doesn't always work. Oh, sorry about that. The trendy stuff doesn't always work. You sometimes have to find out ideas within you that you feel comfortable with. If your fans don't like it, then hey, tell your fans to unsubscribe. It's none of their business. It's not their channel. It's yours. And that might sound a bit harsh and selfish, but hey, at the end of the day, you're the owner of the channel. And yes, although your fans helped you get to where you are, still you should be able to make videos that you feel like you're comfortable with, not videos that are trendy or videos for your fans, really. Other than that, I don't think I have much to say on this topic because I have been struggling with making ideas too. But now, since I've been making this 30-day challenge video thingy, I've been able to make so many ideas. That's not because of trendy topics. It's because it's for myself. The videos that I'm making right now, it's all from within. I didn't know how to download a video. I didn't know how to delete a video. I didn't know how to just do common stuff like this. And at first it might sound dumb, but there's probably thousands, I don't know, probably millions of people who are struggling with the same thing. And you just might be one of the people that saved their lives or something. But hey, at the end of the day, it's your channel. You can do whatever you want. And if you're really feeling burnt out, then consider making a new channel like I did. And just like that, you can go subscribe to both of my channels, Anikas Games and Anikas Music. And other than that, subscribe to this channel as well. And yeah, peace out.